Welcome to True Legacies, where we explore the remarkable lives of inspiring figures throughout history. Today we will be discussing the life of Ada Blackjack, a woman who demonstrated strength and resilience in the face of adversity. Let's dive in. Ada Blackjack was born in 1898 in Solomon, Alaska. She was of Inupiat and European descent. Her mother died when she was young, and she was raised by her stepfather. Ada received little formal education and was married at the age of 16, but her husband abandoned her and their young son. In 1921, Ada was recruited as a seamstress and cook for an Arctic expedition led by Vilhjalmur Stefansson. The group included 4 men and Ada, who was the only woman. The expedition was intended to claim Wrangel Island, a remote location in the Arctic, for Canada. The expedition was ill-fated from the beginning. The group was ill-prepared for the harsh Arctic conditions and had little experience in survival skills. They were soon stranded on the island when their ship was destroyed by ice. One by one, the men fell ill and died from scurvy and starvation, leaving Ada as the only survivor. Despite the extreme conditions and the loss of her companions, Ada managed to survive on the island for 2 years. She hunted and fished for food, made clothing from animal skins, and built a shelter to protect herself from the elements. Ada was eventually rescued by a relief party in 1923. Ada's incredible story of survival made her a national hero in the United States. However, she struggled to readjust to civilian life and faced financial hardships. In her later years, Ada worked as a seamstress and housekeeper, and she passed away in 1983 at the age of 85. Ada's story continues to inspire those who face adversity with courage and resilience. Thank you for joining us today on True Legacies. We hope you enjoyed learning about the life and legacy of Ada Blackjack. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.